Look how freaking full this is. Yeah, that's 2 days of rain for ya. Yeah, all of November 9th and all of November 10th. Well, except for nighttime on November 10th. You probably noticed it wasn't raining there, but... and also overnight going into today on the 11th, Friday, November 11th, 2022. And throughout the entire morning, yeah, it was raining. Granted, a tropical storm just passed by, so that could explain, as I mentioned a few other times in I think the previous backyard video. But why am I starting here? First off, most importantly, yeah, it's almost overflowed. Yeah, it's almost overflowed. That is actually really insane. And, yeah, well, obviously we're not going to actually have it overflow. Oh, no. This place would be flooded if that was the case. Granted, though, a while back, I think maybe a month or two back, we actually did have this pool overflow because we accidentally left the hose in there for too long. But that was like a month or two back. I don't know if that was October or September. Either way, normally I would do that in the workshop. In fact, normally I would start these videos there. Next time, it'll be back to that. And yes, it is currently that time of the day again. Speaking of which, I forgot to bring my phone out here so I could show you what time it was. Let me just grab the phone real quick. Wait, where even is that? What the heck is it? Where the heck is it? Oh well. I already showed you the time anyway. You sure you two don't want to join me? Okay. Yeah, honestly, we don't need that phone. I can already just show you via there. Yep, 3:41. Because I'm pretty sure a minute has gone by now. Yeah. Yeah, it'd be that again. It's that time of the day again. Dang, man. These just get prettier and prettier every day. That is serious, actually. We're not going to the front yard today because there's no point. Because also, I've been there way too many times in the last, 2 episodes. Thankfully, over here is fixed. Because there were a few missing here. Man, we really got to use these eventually. Hold up, though. Oh! Let's fix that real quick. Okay. There we go. That's done. But man. Yeah, just to be clear, everything got stormed on. So this is basically like the aftermath to, yeah, it's basically like the, aftermath to that episode. No, sorry, to the, storm. Yeah, everything looks freaking destroyed now. And no, it wasn't a hurricane. yeah. So, yeah. Now, here's proof that I actually did take down the project. I know you couldn't see it really that well in the last episode, but now that it's daylight, I can actually show you it properly now. So, first off, there's your proof. Secondly, yeah, we don't need that up there right now. Thirdly, we don't need those on right now. And most importantly, that's where everything went. Hey, you never knew what that storm could potentially blow away. So I, barricaded everything in here just in case, because you never know. It could blow it away. And I don't want to lose any of that stuff. Oh. What in the heck is this doing here? Probably never going to see that again. Unless... Oh, so that's where that went. Oh, never mind. Found it. Yeah, I knew this was going to get destroyed at some point. Dang. Dang, that happened. Anyway, there's not really much else to say with this video, so... I'm sorry if it wasn't that interesting like the last two episodes have. Thankfully, the next episode, thankfully, the next episode is the fair event, so we're gonna have a lot of interesting things to do there. So yeah. Oh wait. Have no clue why I did that. I don't know. Just don't know. Yeah, I need to stop messing around with this dang thing. I almost thought I landed it on there. That would have been so cool. But, yeah. Outside from that, there's, again, not really that much to genuinely say about this episode. Aside from... Get that off of there. There we go. Wait, what? Okay, that's there. Alright, no actual seriousness. And I'll just leave it. So yeah, I'm gonna end the episode here, because, first off, that's all I wanted to do. So yeah, I'll see you in the next episode on, Sunday, November 13th, for, again, the fair event, so look out for that. And yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. See you next time, guys. God dang it, I want to actually have it land on a table. Let's try one more time. At least it was worth trying.